See here, today what I want to explain now. Today I want to go to the CSS list. I want to explain CSS list. I want to explain first. And after that, what I want to do, once if you're done with the CSS list, I will be explaining to you CSS table, how to create a CSS table. First, we will see CSS list, then we will see CSS table. After that, we will see CSS display properties, sir. Display property, very, very, very important. Display property we need to cover. And after that, I will give you CSS design, sir. I will give you CSS design. Then after that, I will be explaining CSS box shadow is also already over, right? Yesterday, yes. So I will give you CSS transform property. CSS transform property. And one more is there, yes, CSS box sizing property we need to explain. So today's agenda is to complete this many properties, this many topics today. So let me start with what here, CSS list I want to start now. You know very well, in HTML, I told you how many types of list we have. 3 types of list. Unordered list, order list, and description list. So these are the 3 different types of list are there in HTML. So in CSS list, I want to talk about order list and unordered list only. So what I will do, I will open my Notepad++. Let me open the Notepad++. Let me go here. So what I will do, I will remove this div. I will make it body empty. My body is empty and I want to remove this external CSS. This is what I did. So now everybody focus here. Everybody focus here. So now you can see here what we are going to do now. I will declare one unordered list. UL. UL is an unordered list. And this is for what here I will give you for courses. So let me say we have list of item. Let's say the first one I am telling Java. LI. Closing of LI. We have Oracle. Otherwise you can say what here? React.js. We have AngularJS. LI. Similarly, we have Vue.js. Okay. Last one I am giving Node.js. Even I will give you one more. LI. Let me say Express.js. So this is what we have. So what I will do, I will go to that location where I saved that file. I have training 15 front end practicals. I am into the task 1. Right click. Sorry. Open with Firefox. So now you can see here. Here you can see there is a option is coming courses, React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js. Till now I did not do anything guys. So what I will do, I will write the style here. I will write the style. I will write the style. And I will create one class that is known as what? My class. So what we should do here, here we need to take list style type. So list style type, what I'm giving? Disk. So here I will take what a class. Here I will take what here? My class. So now you can see this refresh. We are getting what? Disk, which is the default one. No, sir, I want to make it what here? Circle. Refresh. Circle is coming. Sir, I need a square. Square will come. But what is my requirement is I want to take a image in the background. Image I want to take, one small image. So which image I want to take? I will do one thing. I will open the paint. I will open the paint. I need small image. So what is this image? What I need? Arrow. Arrow I want. So this is the arrow. I got this arrow. I will write somewhat big. This is the arrow. Small arrow. So what I will do? I will select that one. And I will say what here? Crop. And I will save this file. Save as. I need to select in the same location. Front end, practicals. We are into task 1. In task 1, I am creating which folder, guys? Images. Inside images, we have, let's say, arrow. It's a PNG image. Okay, sir. So now what is my requirement is I want to take list style image. URL. Here I need to give inside images. What's the name it is? Arrow.png. List style image. Refresh. Understood my point, you know? Again, you need to reduce more, sir. You need to reduce the size of that what here? Arrow. Understood my point, you know? Like this, we can take which image we want. So what we need to take? The time we need to take what here? List style image. Okay, sir, we got an idea. And one more thing I want to tell you. So let me remove this class. I don't need any class here. Let me remove the class. For unordered list, I will give you some background. I will give border 2 pixels solid black. So see this solid black will come for what here? This one. And for underline, for unordered list, we have what here? List of items. So tell me, list of items present inside where? Unordered list. So for them also I am telling border 2 pixel solid blue. So see this, it is coming with blue. So now tell me where dots are coming. Dots are coming outside the blue. List style position, I will give what here? Inside. What I'm giving? Inside. Refresh. Shall I give list style position? 1 second. Inside will not come, I think. Inside only. What we should give? Inside. So like that also we can keep it. It is. If you don't need anything, so then you can say list style type. What I can keep? None. I don't need anything. No, nothing. I don't need anything, sir. So like that we can work with what here? Unordered list. Means if you want, you can take dot, circle, square, any image. If you don't need anything, mention what? None. So this is known as unordered list. Similarly, I want to go for what here? Order list. Order list. So let me say here order list means list style type. Here I'm giving what here? Alpha. Or I can say lower alpha. Refresh. What we got? Lower alphabet. Otherwise, you can go with what? Upper alpha. Upper alpha. Then it's what here? Then I am giving upper Roman. Next is what we can do. Roman number. Understood my point, you know? So if you don't need anything, what you can keep? None. None we can keep. So nothing will be there. So like this we need to use, sir. So like that we have worked with what here unordered list and order list we have seen. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So let's go to the table. Because we should know how to create a table also. So what I will do to create the table, I need to go to the table tag. Table tag. And every table I want to take table row, closing of table row. Table heading, closing of table heading. I need 3 headings. Table heading, closing of what here? Table heading. So let me say employee ID, employee name, and email. Employee ID, name, and email. So let me take TR table row. Table data, closing of table data, TD, closing of table data, TD, closing of table data. This is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 row, something like that. So why I'm writing, there is a reason is there here. See this, I'm giving 101. I'm giving Alan. So I am telling Alan at the rate gmail.com. I'm giving 102 Jose. I'm giving Jose at the rate yahoo.com. I'm giving 103. Let's say Kelvin. So here I'm telling Kelvin at the rate zoho.com. Next is what here I will go to the what here 104. So let me say what here Mark. Mark at the rate outlook.com. I'm giving 105. I'm giving Lucy. And I am giving Lucy at the rate hotmail.com. Do you know what is this Hotmail, Outlook, Zoho, Yahoo, Gmail? These are the email providers. If you want personal email, so you need to go to these email providers only. But mostly we are working with what? Gmail only. We are getting the accounts from Gmail only. It's widely used nowadays. But earlier, Rediff was there, Yahoo was there, okay, Hotmail was there. But now booming is what here? Gmail. Later we have Zoho, we have Outlook, we have different email providers are available. So save this. It looks like this. It looks like this. So what I will do now, I will go to the what here table. So I will say for style I am taking for table, for row, table heading, and table data. For everyone I am taking what here border 2 pixel solid black. See the magic. Understood my point here? And for table, if you want to take for table, you can take for table also. Refresh. So now what I will do now? I will do one thing. I will take the table, table row, table heading, table data. This is also I'm telling border 2 pixel solid black. Okay, so this is also same. This is also same. But what I want to do here, I want to say border collapse. Which property I'm using? Border collapse. See this? Earlier it was like this. Refresh. Understood my point, Ian? Sir, I want to increase the width, sir, with what I'm increasing? 100% width. Refresh. Sir, my requirement is I need table row, I need border bottom. What I need only? Border bottom I want. Bottom means what here? Downside. Refresh. Only we have added to what here? Bottom we have added the what? Border. And one more thing it is. For table row, we can take H over. What we can take? H over. H over means whenever my mouse is going. So I am telling whenever my mouse is going on that row, background color should becomes what here? Let's say hash C3, C3, C3. Refresh. This is known as what here? H over. Mouse over. When it will go for mouse over? On row. If I'm keeping mouse on row. Otherwise, if you don't need this one, table row, nth child even. Okay, nth child what here? Even. See this magic. Refresh. And better you can remove the what here? Border. Now it looks nice. Understood my point here? So you should understand, sir. And here we can give table data also and table heading. Both I am telling. What I am telling? Text align. What I am telling? Center. Because they are coming left side now. Refresh. Understood my point here? No? So my data is coming in the what? Center. So like this we can use. So I hope you people understood how we are working, miss. This is the working with what? Understand what is the purpose of what? Nth child. Nth child means what it will come? Zebra, white and black like that. Understood my point? Otherwise we can go for what? H over. H over means whenever my mouse goes there. So like this we have seen what here? Total. Two things. CSS list, CSS table. Online people understood how to work with CSS list and CSS table. Offline people also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.